Have you ever spent a fortune on a brand new flagship phone, only to discover it has issues straight out of the box? That's exactly what some Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra users are facing. Reports of strange screen problems have surfaced, and they're raising concerns about Samsung's quality control and customer support. A Reddit user recently shared their frustrating experience after receiving what they believe is a defective Galaxy S25 Ultra. According to their post, thin horizontal lines randomly appear on the display, especially when waking the phone before unlocking it. On top of that, they also notice unexpected screen blinking. Samsung's support team suggested testing the phone in safe mode and even performing a full factory reset. Unfortunately, none of these steps fix the problem, which strongly suggests a hardware defect. But that's not the only issue. Another user reported a completely different screen problem while using the Galaxy S25 Ultra's camera. When they switched between zoom levels, multiple vertical lines appeared on the display. This issue seems to be a software bug because it only affects the camera's viewfinder. Outside of the camera app, the screen appears normal. Even though this might be fixable with a software update, it's still frustrating for early buyers expecting a flawless experience. These reports are raising questions about whether Samsung's quality control has slipped. When customers pay a premium for a flagship smartphone, they expect a near-perfect product. If early buyers receive faulty units, it can create negative publicity and hurt sales. Potential customers might start second-guessing their decision, worried that they, too, could end up with a defective device. Another user decided to test a demo unit of the Galaxy S25 Ultra in a store and noticed an issue with graininess on the display, particularly in red gradients at maximum brightness. Due to the store's bright lighting, they could only spot the problem at the highest brightness level. However, they expressed disappointment, especially because they primarily use their phone for watching movies, which tend to have darker scenes. If the display's quality suffers in low light, it could be a deal breaker for many users. Interestingly, Samsung has been actively working to improve its displays. The company successfully resolved the grainy display issue that affected some Galaxy S24 Ultra units. A well-known industry expert tested the Galaxy S25 Ultra's display and confirmed that the problem has been eliminated. They even shared comparison images showing the differences between the Galaxy S25 Ultra, Galaxy S24 Ultra, OnePlus 13, and Oppo Find X8. At low brightness levels, the Galaxy S24 Ultra suffered from noticeable color shifts, which led to the well-known grainy texture problem. However, Samsung refined its display technology for the Galaxy S25 Ultra, even though it continues to use the same material set as the previous model. This improvement suggests that Samsung is listening to feedback and making necessary changes. While the display might have improved, not all changes to the Galaxy S25 Ultra are being well received. One of the biggest controversies surrounding the device is Samsung's decision to replace the previous Bluetooth-enabled S Pen with a standard one. This means that features like air actions and gesture controls, which many Galaxy Note and Ultra users loved. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Will the Galaxy A56 5G and A36 5G be exciting upgrades or just small changes? One of the biggest expectations is that both phones will launch with Android 15. However, it is still unclear which version of Samsung's One UI they will have. Most likely, they will come with One UI 7.0. Android 15 brings some useful new features. One of them is satellite messaging. This allows users to send messages even when there is no mobile network by connecting to a satellite. But will the new Galaxy A series phones support this feature? It depends on their hardware, and for now, there is no confirmation. Privacy settings are also improving. Users will have more control over how notifications appear on their phone. They can choose to show sensitive notifications only when the phone is unlocked or hide them completely from the lock screen. Samsung has also made Bluetooth easier to use. When turning it on, a new pop-up will appear with quick options to manage connections. Users will be able to access settings faster and approve or deny Bluetooth actions more easily. Another handy feature is app archiving. This helps save storage by removing apps that are not used often while keeping their data safe. Users can restore these apps whenever they need them without losing any saved information. The camera is also getting some updates. Users will now be able to adjust the brightness of the flash while taking photos or using the flashlight. This should improve photo quality in dark environments. However, it is still unknown whether the processors in the Galaxy A56 and A36 will support Samsung's Galaxy AI features. Samsung has not yet confirmed how long these phones will receive software updates. But if we look at the previous models, the Galaxy A55 5G and A35 5G, they received 4 years of Android updates and 5 years of security updates. It is likely that Samsung will continue the same policy for the new devices. If you are interested in improving your photography, there is good news. Samsung's Camera Assistant app has been updated for One UI 7.0, and this update gives us a hint about the Galaxy S50 sticks. But before we talk about that, here's a quick reminder. Samsung's pre-orders for the Galaxy S25 series are closing soon. If you are planning to get one, now is the best time. Samsung is offering up to $900 in trade-in value, $350 in free credit for storage upgrades, and a free pair of Buds 3 Pro. Samsung is also updating its Good Lock apps to match One UI 7.0. This will allow users to customize their phones easily once the update is released. One of the latest apps to receive this update is Camera Assistant. The update notes also mention the Galaxy S50 sticks as a supported device. This suggests that the phone will come with One UI 7.0 straight out of the box. The Camera Assistant app has been available for over 2 years and gives users more control over their camera settings. It allows users to enable or disable high dynamic range, soften images, and turn automatic lens switching on or off. One of its most popular features is Quick Shot, which helps reduce motion blur. This makes it easier to take clear pictures of fast-moving objects like pets, children, or cars. Right now, the new Camera Assistant update is only available for the Galaxy S25 series, which comes with One UI 7.0 pre-installed. Let us know your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on the latest tech trends. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Is Samsung making a high-stakes move by using the Exynos 2500 in the Galaxy Z Flip 7? And will the Galaxy Z Fold 7 follow the same path? Samsung has now confirmed that the Exynos 2500 is in development and will be used in mobile devices launching in the second half of 2025. This news has raised speculation about whether Samsung's upcoming foldables will rely on this chipset and how it could impact their performance. With mixed reactions to the Galaxy S25 series, particularly the lack of major innovations aside from camera improvements on the Galaxy S25 Ultra, Samsung now faces pressure to deliver something truly compelling with its next foldable lineup. Early leaks suggested that the Galaxy Z Fold 7 would feature Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite, following the same trend as the Galaxy S25 series. Some reports even mention a modified 7-core version of the chip. Many assumed that Samsung would use this processor worldwide, but new information suggests otherwise. Samsung's System LSI division recently stated that the Exynos 2500 is being optimized for mobile devices launching later this year. This aligns with earlier leaks indicating that the Galaxy Z Flip 7 will come equipped with the Exynos 2500, though the Galaxy Z Fold 7 was expected to remain on Qualcomm's chipset. This has led to speculation that Samsung may repeat its strategy from the Galaxy S24 series, where some regions receive Qualcomm's Snapdragon chip, while others bout an Exynos variant. If the same approach is taken with the Galaxy Z Fold 7, it could mean that certain markets will get the Exynos 2500 instead of the Snapdragon 8 Elite. This decision would spark debate, as past Exynos chips have struggled to match the efficiency and performance of Qualcomm's flagship processors. If performance differences arise, it could influence customer preferences, especially in regions where the Exynos version is sold. Another concern is the lack of groundbreaking leaks about Samsung's upcoming foldables. If there are no significant hardware changes, the chipset choice becomes an even bigger factor in how these devices are perceived. That being said, Samsung's confirmation of the Exynos 2500 could refer only to the Galaxy Z Flip 7, leaving the Galaxy Z Fold 7's chipset still uncertain. More information will likely emerge in the coming months. A key question remains: can the Exynos 2500 compete with Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite? Historically, Exynos processors have lagged behind their Qualcomm counterparts in raw performance, battery efficiency, and sustained workloads. If Samsung does offer an Exynos version of the Galaxy Z Fold 7 in some markets, it will need to ensure that it performs at the same level as the Snapdragon variant to avoid consumer frustration. Beyond performance concerns, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is rumored to be a refined version of its predecessor, possibly drawing inspiration from the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition. Leaks suggest a lighter and thinner body, potentially with larger displays. However, this could come with compromises. One of the biggest rumors suggests that Samsung may remove S Pen support from the Galaxy Z Fold 7. While this seems unlikely, Samsung has made unexpected decisions before, such as reducing S Pen enhancements on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. If true, this could impact users who rely on the stylus for productivity tasks. When it comes to pricing, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7 are expected to follow last year's price structure. This could be a double-edged sword. Keeping prices steady may appeal to buyers, but the competition is getting stronger. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 will face challenges from the ultra-thin OnePlus Open 2. the Oppo Find N5, and possibly a Pixel 10 Pro Fold. Without significant improvements, Samsung's foldable lineup could struggle to maintain its lead in the market. The Galaxy Z Flip 7, however, might have a smoother path. Unlike the Fold series, which is designed for productivity and power users, the Flip lineup has always been more of a stylish, compact device. However, with artificial intelligence-powered features becoming more common across smartphones, Samsung will need more than software tricks to make the Flip 7 stand out. Consumers expect hardware enhancements alongside software upgrades, and Samsung must deliver to keep its foldable lineup exciting. If you enjoyed this update, make sure to like and subscribe for more Samsung news. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.